guys, what's up? So today I wanted to get back to the princess tutorials. I know this video is going up a little bit late, but I've been busy and haven't had a chance to film this. I actually am still running short on time, so I've gone ahead and done my foundation, which I use Makeup Forever foundation. I use NYX and Bye Bye Under Eye concealer, and I use a Cosmetics pressed powder. So I've done everything except the eyes. And I'm going to grab a primer real quick. I did forget to prime my eyes, so I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyelid primer for that. And then all I have to do is show you guys the eyes and the other base makeup. Oh, and this is going to be a Cinderella tutorial, as I'm sure you can see from the title. So I'm going to be using my Sedona Lace palette. I'm hoping that this look matches my outfit, since I've already gotten ready. If it doesn't, I'll be changing. I'm sorry if I'm losing my voice a bit in this tutorial. I have really bad allergies right now, so I apologize for that. I'm going to start off with my Bugatti's Paris eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to start with this I think I'm going to start with this lighter blue here, and I'm going to put that on the eyelid. I'm also going to take just a little bit of this like super light blue here and go over it with that. I want to try and match the color of her dress as closely as I can with this. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm actually going to take this dark blue here and use this to blend out. I'm going to take a little bit of this blue color too and use that in the crease. And then I'm going to go back in with the lighter blues here, and I'm going to put some more on the eyelid. Then I'm just going to use my fingers to like kind of clean up a little bit around the edges. Next up, I'm going to be taking my Veramona smudger brush, and I think because her hair is yellow and I want to incorporate that, I think I'm going to take this yellow here and I'm just going to put that under the eyes. I'm sorry about the phone ringing again. I think that happens in almost every tutorial. I'm sorry if you can hear background noise and talking. There's not a lot I can do with everyone home because I don't have soundproof walls. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Luxie 207 medium angle shading brush, and I'm going to take some of the skin color here and I'm just going to use that as a highlight. Next up, I am going to take my eyelash curler and my Ulta Beauty mascara, and I'm going to use that on the eyes. I've noticed, you guys, I forgot to grab quite a few items. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. And then I'm just going to put this on the tops and the bottom lashes. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and curl them again. But I'm just going to use my fingers to kind of separate them out just a bit. And then I'm going to be taking my Sedona Lace angled brush, and I'm going to be taking, let's see, I'm going to be taking this brown here, and I'm going to use that in my brows. And a little bit of this one as well. I recently started filling my brows in just a little bit, and I actually kind of like how it looks. Normally I don't use this palette for it, but since this is what we're using today, this is what I'm going to use. I don't fill them in too much. I try and just like fill in like the sparse areas because my brows are already pretty thick, so I don't want to go overboard. So I don't like extend them or anything like that. So once I've done that, I think we're done with this. I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to use that to bronze up a bit. If you guys don't already know this, this is my favorite bronzer. I know it looks kind of dark right now, but I am going to blend it in. I'm going to take a blending brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend it. If I don't drop it first. And sometimes I blend it at the top, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how dark I've gotten it and how my skin tone is looking at the time. After I've done that, I'm going to take my Tarte blush, and I'm just going to use an Ultra brush and put that on my cheeks. Because all the Disney princesses have a really nice flush, and I like to incorporate that. By the way, guys, if you've noticed my nails, these are from Color Street, so I will leave a link to that in the description. They last for like 2 weeks without coming off. This is the first full set that I've tested, so I'm going to do a review on them once I'm done testing them. So be looking for that. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Highlighter that I got in my Birchbox, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Just on the tops. I'm also going to put it down the bridge of my nose, and on a cupid's bow. Then I'm going to use my finger to just blend it. I'm just going to kind of tap it in. This gives you like the brightest glow, you guys. It is like so pigmented. Just going to kind of make sure it's all blended. And once I've done that, I'm going to take a pink lipstick because hers is pink. And I'm just going to put this all over my lips. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Urban Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray because it's really hot here today. And I'm just going to spray that on my face. I'm just going to let it dry. And just kind of tap some of the areas in just a little bit to make sure that everything is set. And once I've done that, this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this. I think this look would look really nice with maybe some falsies or something, but I don't actually have any. But anyways, let me know how you think my interpretation was of this look. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!